All right, so I just got back from Lowe's and picked up this, I don't know what the fuck you call it, Fluidmaster. Everything you need to fix your toilet tank repair kit, including the water valve and the filler in thing. Right there, you see there? It's got freaking everything on it. Looks like that's what I need. And from what I said before, it doesn't look like I need to replace the bowl. I just need to take it off to get all the fittings off. And the one thing I'm worried about is the water connection on this guy right here mating up with the original crusty old one right down there. So I don't know if that's going to fit or not, but we'll see. At least I got another toilet I can use in the house. This one's attached to my bedroom, but now I got to get this tank off without breaking it or having to call a plumber. All right, well, let's take a look at my work here. I am not a plumber, and I hate doing this. Messy, stinky, tight spaces, you name it. One of the frickin' tasks that I just hate to do. But this is the Fluidmaster. Everything you need, toilet tank repair kit, tools included, which I actually ended up using. Pretty nice frickin' tools to get old hardware off and crap. 16 years old. Corroded as hell. You gotta follow the directions. Holy crap. And have a little common sense. That's the old style right there. More pieces of crap. $2.88 flapper valve that I didn't need. Had to grab the tool set. So I have to clean everything up here. Came with new hardware for the tank. I had to take the tank out and to install all this stuff in here. See there with the new bolts, all that, and I got it set on its highest setting, but it seems to work pretty good. Let me flush it now. I'll show you what's going on. Well, let me show you the bowl. Seems to have a little bit more water in there, which is good, but I haven't seen any leaks, which is good. And I put their handle on it, so let's just flush it and I'll show you. See? Bloop. That seats up pretty good. And I forgot to turn this on. This fills the bowl up right down here. And the tank is filling up at the same time. It's very, very good. La-di-da-di-da. And that's the float right there, that little thing right there. Much better design. It's pretty straightforward. Now if you want more water in there, you just got to turn this little thing down right here. And that seems to work out pretty good. About another inch or so of water in there. But I don't know how many gallons. Maybe 1.5, maybe 2. But I didn't break the porcelain. Thank God I didn't have to replace the whole damn toilet. You just can't. I didn't see any tanks at Lowe's. You know, you just had to buy a tank or whatever. You'd have to buy the whole damn thing. See, just turned off. It's holding water. It's not leaking. And the best part was this fitting right down here. See there? It's old, but damn, just put it on. And it worked. I gotta clean all that up. But yeah, hopefully this fixes it. We'll see. So there you go. Hope this helps the next person out. Got 16 years out of the old crap.